Hello everyone, welcome back to the Revs Institute Workshop, where today we are finally back here after a busy weekend attending Targa 66 at Homestead Speedway on the racetrack with all 5 cars that were prepared to be on track for some exercise. We had Gunnar Jeanette driving the cars for us. He went out on our Porsche Carrera 904, our Scarab Sports Racer, our Speedster GT, the Lancia D50, as well as our Abarth Simca. The cars all did great. They are back now to do some kind of inspections. We'll attend to some of the items that we need to attend to, because with some of these cars, we're actually use Targa 66 as an opportunity to test the vehicles, get the driver familiar with them, get his feedback on any changes that he might want us to do before any of the big events that we're attending. The Lancia D50 had a minor electrical issue, which we have attended to, and then we're actually going to do some testing later next month with the car, get the driver familiar with it, see if he needs us to do any other additional changes. We eventually will race the Lancia D50 at Monterey Car Week for the Formula 1 class, so look forward to having that car there and sharing with everybody. The Abarth Simca, we're just doing some minor adjustments on the suspension. That car will eventually attend the Goodwood Revival later this summer, so we definitely look forward to having that car overseas and attend that historical event. The Carrera GT, we plan on racing it at Velocity Invitational, so that was a great opportunity to get the driver familiar with that. There's some minor mechanical items that we need to attend to, so we'll take care of that and have the car ready. The Scarab Sports Racer and the Carrera 904, it was just a good opportunity to exercise the car. They hadn't ran in quite some time, so we got him out there. You know, as pieces of active matter, we'd like to keep everything active, running, and sharing it with everybody. So that was Friday and Saturday. On Sunday, we had the great opportunity to take our McLaren F1 to the Miami Concours, which is a extremely popular event. You know, in the social world, there's over 30 to 40,000 people that attended. Stay tuned, we'll have another video in relating to McLaren F1 and the whole journey it had out there to the Miami Concours, and stay tuned for more videos.